The Filipino particle lamang. The Filipino particle lamang is used to add emphasis, indicate a limitation, or express something as merely or just. Here are its main uses. There are four. The first one is to indicate limitation or restriction, to express that something is only or merely a certain way, suggesting a limitation or restriction. The second one is to add emphasis. It is used to emphasize that something is very much the case or to underline its significance. The third use is to suggest an alternative or contrast, often meaning only in the context of providing options or comparisons. And the fourth definition is to soften a statement. It makes it more polite or less direct. Let us have the following example sentences for the first definition, which is to indicate limitation or restriction. Hindi ako mayaman, simpleng tao lamang ako. So I'm not rich, I'm just a simple person. When we say mayaman, that means rich. Hindi is not, so hindi ako mayaman, I'm not rich. Simple means simple, and then ako is I. So hindi ako mayaman, simpleng tao lamang ako. Next one is pang-isa lamang ang paborito kong lugar. So my favorite place is only for one person. Pang-isa is only for one. And then paborito, that's favorite. And then a lugar is a place. So pang-isa lamang ang paborito kong lugar. Ito ay isang maliit na problema lamang. When we say maliit, that's small or little. And then a problema is a problem. So this is just a small problem. Ito ay isang maliit na problema lamang. Ilang minuto lamang ang natitira. So only a few minutes are left. Minuto, that's minute. And then tira, natitira is like left or what's left, something like that for the time. Ilang minuto lamang ang natitira. Kailangan mong maghintay ng saglit lamang. So you need to wait for just a moment. Kailangan is need, hintay means to wait, and then saglit is for a while or for a moment. So kailangan mong maghintay ng saglit lamang. The second definition is to add emphasis. Ang kanyang sagot ay tama lamang. So his or her answer is just right or exactly right. When we say sagot, that's answer. Kanya is his or her, and then tama, that's correct. So ang kanyang sagot ay tama lamang. Minsan, ang buhay ay mahirap lamang. Sometimes life is just hard. Minsan, that's sometimes, and then buhay is life. And when we say mahirap, that's difficult. So minsan ang buhay ay mahirap lamang. Ang pelikula ay maganda lamang. So the movie is simply good. A pelikula is a movie, and then maganda, that means pretty or beautiful. Ang pelikula ay maganda lamang. Sana ay nakatulog ako ng mahimbing lamang. So I hope I can just sleep soundly. So sana is hope. Tulog means sleep. Mahimbing is like soundly or very well. So sana ay makatulog ako ng mahimbing lamang. Hindi ito madali, kaya't maghanda lamang. So it's not easy. It's not going to be easy. So just prepare. Just prepare yourself. So madali, that means easy. And then hindi, not easy. So maghanda, handa means to be ready or to be prepared. So hindi ito madali, kaya't maghanda lamang. Third definition is to add or to suggest an alternative or contrast. Maaari kang pumili ng kulay asul lamang. So you can only choose the color blue. Maaari is can or possibly, and then to pili means to choose, pumili. And then kulay is color, and then asul, that's blue. So maaari kang pumili ng kulay asul lamang. Ang pagkain na ito ay para sa iyo lamang. So this food is only for you. Pagkain, that's food. And then para sa iyo is for you. and only lamang. Ang pagkain na ito ay para sa iyo lamang. Ang mga oras ng operasyon ay mula 9 a.m. hanggang 5 p.m. lamang. So oras, that's time, and then operasyon, that's operation, and then 9 a.m. until, hanggang is until 9 to 5. So the operating hours are only from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Dapat mong gawin ang iyong trabaho ng maayos lamang. So you should just do your job well. Dapat is should. Gawin means to do, and then trabaho, that's work. And then maayos is well or good. Dapat mong gawin ang iyong trabaho ng maayos lamang. Ang kaganapan ay para sa mga miyembro lamang. So the event is only for members. Kaganapan, that means event. And then miyembro, that's member. So, ang kaganapan ay para sa mga miyembro lamang. Last is to soften a statement. Pwede bang maghintay ka lamang ng sandali? So, could you please just wait a moment? Hintay, that means wait. And sandali, that's for a moment or for a while. Pwede is could. So, pwede bang maghintay ka lamang ng sandali? Maaari bang magbigay ka lamang ng konting oras? So, could you just give a little time? Maaari is like possible, or could you? You is ikaw or ka. And then bigay means to give, and then oras is time. Konti is a little, so konting oras, a little time. Maaari bang magbigay ka lamang ng konting oras? Gusto ko lamang malaman ang totoo. So, I just want to know the truth. Gusto is like want. Malaman is to know, and then totoo is like, ang totoo is like the truth. Gusto ko lamang malaman ang totoo. Gusto mo lamang ba ng kape? Would you just like coffee only? So, gusto mo lamang ba ng kape? Gusto is like, and then kape is coffee. Hindi ko lamang alam kung paano ito gawin. I just don't know how to do this. Alam is no, hindi ko alam. I don't know. Paano is like how. And then gawin is like to do. So, hindi ko lamang alam kung paano ito gawin. And that is all about for the Filipino particle lamang. I hope you learned something new and see you in the next one.